In my perspective, homeschooling transcends the mere act of educating kids within our home environment. It's about crafting an enriching, extraordinary childhood experience that nurtures our children with depth and richness. And yes, of course, it's about giving our kids a great education that prepares them for a bright future, but it's also about giving them a childhood that they look back on and they love. Maybe the childhood we didn't have ourselves. Hi, I'm Christy-Faith, and I'm coming your way, Minnesota. I'm on a mission to make sure homeschoolers don't believe the lies. While society does feed us falsehoods, the lies that most concern me are the ones that we tell ourselves. When I speak, I focus on two crucial elements that, when put together, build confidence. First, I dismantle those beliefs that hold us all back. And second, I bring in my 20 years experience teaching kids and training teachers to enhance your skills, giving you real, practical, tangible skills so you can homeschool with assurance. In my workshop titled Resistant Kids, I focus on motivation. We all face resistance in our homeschools at one point or another. And there are a lot of reasons for this, and the surprising truth is it probably isn't laziness. So together, we're going to explore some of the root causes for resistance in learning and make a clear path to more peaceful days. Motivation is one of my most favorite topics to speak on. In my workshop on overcoming self-doubt, we delve into some of the emotional hurdles of homeschooling, addressing the big thing that we all face: doubt in our ability and our capacity to do this job that feels so big. And it is big. In this workshop, you're not going to hear empty platitudes from me. I'm going to give you practical insights and solid takeaways and speak truth into your homeschooling journey so you can homeschool with confidence. And we can't forget our beautiful out-of-the-box learners. In my workshop, Goodbye Math Struggles, I'll teach you how to transform math anxiety into triumph. Girls, if you know, you know. If you're brand new to homeschooling, you gotta come to Homeschool 101, Doing It Scared. This workshop is designed to guide you through the key steps to start homeschooling with confidence and clarity. We're gonna go over everything you need to know to start off right, and I'm gonna personally make sure that you do not make those common rookie mistakes. You're gonna leave the workshop with a clear plan, knowing exactly what to do and in what order, with a couple of laughs along the way. This is your chance to feel prepared, supported, and excited as you begin your homeschooling adventure. One special addition to our already amazing conference this year is our Mom's Night Out, and trust me, you're gonna want to be there. Our theme is finding true friendship in a lonely world. This is your chance to step away, give yourself a night, laugh until your cheeks hurt, and find the courage to build the type of friendships your heart has been longing for. During our time together, you'll be filled with encouragement, connection, and energy that recharges your soul. And just when you think the night couldn't possibly get any better, a surprise at the end will leave you smiling all the way home. This is so much more than a girls' night. It's a gift to give yourself to feel inspired, celebrated, and deeply connected in ways you didn't even know you needed. Seats are limited and they're gonna go fast, so make your move and secure your tickets now. So, which workshop are you most excited about? What's gonna be your don't miss talk? Please comment on this video. As you know, it is the state nonprofits who are in the background supporting your homeschooling freedoms. One totally free thing you can do right now in under 10 seconds to help the homeschool cause in your state is to share this video with a friend and your homeschooling group. Invite them to come to the conference. And if you want to get to know me before the conference, let's do it. You can find me pretty much everywhere, so choose your favorite platform. Oh yeah, and register for the conference today. I can't wait to meet you. And just a heads up, when you meet me in person, I'm a hugger. Can't wait to see you there. Love ya.